Hey everyone, this is Jack speaking. Today I'll be talking about Coinbase filing for their IPO, and somewhere in this video, two of you who have subscribed to the channel are going to get £100 each. Now, before we get into any details, if you're new on the channel or you're new in finance in general, and you have no clue what IPO is, go a few videos back and you'll see a video of mine called What is IPO? Watch that video first and then come back to this video so you know what I'm talking about. Coinbase is currently the largest United States cryptocurrency exchange, which would easily explain why it's one of the links in the description of all my videos, because I only offer you the best exchanges there is to trade with. The digital trading platform is planning to go public at a time when cryptocurrency markets are soaring at new highs and attracting renewed interest from investors. Bitcoin reached a record high of almost $24,000 on December 20th, just days after it surpassed the previous all-time high of $20,000. This is up by 166% only for the past 6 months, and some predictions expect the price to continue to rally sharply, but I don't really care about predictions because to me personally they're guessing, and my strategy doesn't rely on any guessing of any kind. What is Coinbase and why is it going public? What market cap is it looking to hike up to right after its IPO? To answer these and other questions you might have now, I've gathered all the details to get you prepared for the much-awaited Coinbase IPO. Coinbase eyes global expansion with thousands of cryptocurrencies. Founded in 2012 in California, Coinbase is currently the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. I'm pretty sure I said that last part already. Who wrote this script? It has more than 35 million users in over 100 countries who buy, sell, store, use and earn cryptocurrency through its platform. The exchange generates most of its revenue from trading commissions. So far it has traded over $320 billion in volume. The company says on its website, "We see cryptocurrency as the future of money and a catalyst for creating an open financial system around the world." The exchange currently lists 47 cryptocurrencies and plans to support thousands in the future. How much is Coinbase worth? Up to date, the company has raised over $500 million in equity financing from leading investors. In its most recent Series C funding round in October 2018, Coinbase secured an investment of $300 million, which gave it a total valuation of over $8 billion. The round was intended to fund Coinbase's global expansion and to list additional cryptocurrencies. Also for application development and adding additional features to bring more institutional funds into the cryptocurrency space. And the first one to get £100 is... Neo, you know it's you, mate, so do I even need to show it? But since I'm a workaholic and showing it requires more work, editing the video, and it also looks nicer, there you go. Coinbase has been shuffling its management team in preparation for the IPO, announcing on 16th of December that Mark Andreessen, co-founder and general partner in Andreessen Horowitz, is transitioning from a board observer to a board director. This will allow Andreessen to take on a more active role as a full-time board member, the company said. In addition, Kelly Kramer has joined the board of directors after 9 years at Cisco. There she spent the last 6 years as executive vice president and the chief financial officer. As such, she was responsible for managing the company's financial strategy and overseeing all financial functions. Also for the corporate development, acquisitions, integrations, and investor relations. Kramer will replace Chris Dodds as chair of Coinbase Audit and Compliance Committee. After some speculations earlier this year, a Coinbase IPO is coming. The company has announced in a blog post on their website on 17th of December that it has confidentially submitted a draft registration statement on Form S-1 with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. The Form S-1 is expected to become effective after the SEC completes its review process subject to market and other conditions. As the filing is confidential, there is no information yet as when Coinbase is going to be public, or how many shares are going to be issued, or what listing price the company is looking for. Investors will be watching the listing process closely as the SEC has so far been cautious about cryptocurrency assets. The Securities and Exchange Commission has already rejected several applications for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds or ETFs. The SEC announced earlier this month that its Strategic Hub for Innovation and Financial Technology, referred to as FinHub, is going to become a standalone office. To enhance FinHub's role in leading and coordinating policy across all SEC divisions and offices will benefit market innovators and strengthen investor protection. If the SEC approves the cryptocurrency exchange listing and Coinbase files for IPO publicly, it is likely it will choose the direct listing route, which several technology companies chose this year, rather than traditional IPO. Coinbase will be the first cryptocurrency exchange to go public, and depending on its performance, it might set the stage for other exchanges to follow suit. The recent rally in cryptocurrencies has attracted increased interest from institutions as well as individual investors. Citibank has reportedly predicted that Bitcoin could reach $318,000. Scott Minerd told Bloomberg TV recently that its fundamental analysis suggests a price of $400,000 is quite possible. The increased use of digital wallets this year is also prompting companies like PayPal and Square to incorporate cryptocurrencies in their offerings. The high interest could feed into a higher Coinbase IPO price if investors opt to buy shares as a way to gain exposure to cryptocurrency industry. Holding shares in Coinbase would provide additional diversification to holding individual cryptocurrencies. And the second £100 is going to you. Please pause the video and hit the like button, as it helps me tremendously to build this channel. Also, if you don't have a portfolio and you want to start building such, or you do have a portfolio but you're not happy with your current broker, have a look down in the description. The exchanges you see there are trustworthy and they charge fair fees. Depending on which one of them you decide to go with, they might even give you a welcome bonus. Or you can go with all of them, as I always advise traders and investors to use at least a few exchanges for an extra layer of safety. This time there is a few extra links down there, which are for Coinbase Earn, or as they renamed it, Coinbase Rewards. The links will be there for a while, and after that I'll remove them, so you might actually not see them when you're watching the video. I will explain why. These links refers to the learning program of Coinbase, and each one of them teaches you about a different cryptocurrency. Basically, you watch a video of a minute or two about that particular cryptocurrency, then you answer a question related to the content of the video, and they pay you for doing it. But this is not the only kind of activity they reward you for. The other day, for example, they gave me about $17 worth of a cryptocurrency for teaching me how to use Coinbase Wallet. There was some technical issues until I got paid, but still, I got paid in full. Now, why you might not see the links I'm talking about? Because I'm limited from Coinbase in how many people I can refer to these lessons. If I wasn't, these links would stay there forever, but this is their rules and I respect them. So once I fulfill my quota, I remove that particular link from the description because I don't get paid for it. Simple, really. Keep in mind, you can't actually earn from these lessons unless you have a Coinbase account. If that's the case, just use my Coinbase link. It will always be there unless Coinbase decides to stop paying for referrals. I know other programs which was paying referral bonus and they decided to stop doing so, and this is not the way to do business. I'll give you an example. Probably most of you have heard about Monzo. Monzo used to pay £5 or $5 or whatever. It doesn't actually matter what the amount was, but what matters is that they was paying for referrals. I signed up without neither me nor the person who referred me getting anything from this action, because they had already stopped paying these referral bonuses. So first they decided to cut off that referral bonus, and a few months ago I received an email stating that once we exceed £250 in transactions for the month, we're going to start being charged for transferring money. At this point, I decided to throw Monzo's card away. I didn't even care how much these charges are going to be, because for me, the bank which is going to charge you for the simplest services is a non-existent bank. The same way, if Coinbase decides to stop paying for referrals one day, I'll be forced to remove all their links from all the descriptions of my videos, including delete this video, but they're much smarter than that, so I don't think that will ever happen. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to have a chance to catch a giveaway, and I'll see you next time.